A queen who not afraid to talk truth. Represent for the women, the youth, and the culture. Are we ready? Yeah. We're not sound ready. Are we ready? Yeah. Listen, up next we have not just an entertainer but a messenger. An artist whose words challenge, heal, and awaken. Who carries the legacy of reggae as a tool for truth and transformation. She stands boldly for justice, for womanhood, and for the upliftment of our people. And of course, it is International Women's Month. We're celebrating International Women's Day, but we have to bring out the queen herself. Make some noise for the one and only, the lioness on the rise, Quenn Ifrica in the house. She's gonna take it away.
Good night. Yeah. Me the houses we notice you love support this like this house so much alcohol in our parties. The girls are broke out and they suck when she drink knock around. Now she not there with them. It's times like these I'm missing our heroes. Times like these I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. Oh Miss Lou, we need you, Lord. And the first I heard of this, hundreds and counted on the murder list. Them breed up the shot at them, now we have a lot of them. Prison pack up so the grave them a go back again. Them rock the national bird wing. Sell we out clean, me not think we won a goddamn thing. Jam rock while you giving in to the trick with them a trick way from the beginning. Parents you need to wake up from this slumbering. We children club them is running. Times like these are missing our ears. Times like these wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. Bob Marley, we know you never die in vain. We have a rise again. Hey, so make we use the fist, hold the bell, beat, promise till it's well. Nobody now go here if you no yell. But to come and tell you about the bucket we go well. Black woman put on your baggy, that's something they no fi sell. As so we get to know say society cruel. Go ask them who put it from in a barrel. PM opposition no done with the quarrel. Unite, come together, teach the people how to chill. It's times like these I'm missing our heroes. Yeah, times like these I really wish you were around. We need you, we need you, we need you, Sam Sharp. We need you, we need you, we need you, Nanny. Hey, take it on low. We just want to say big up, you know, Olive Lewin. Ancestrally, we are big you up tonight. Thank you so much for giving us this space so that we can preserve our culture. Hyacinth, large up yourself, you hear that? Give her a big round of applause in here tonight because she's doing something wonderful for our culture. And it's times like these that we need heroes like those. Times like these, Hyacinth, we need you, yes. Times like these, we're really glad you are around. We're happy for the night market vibes, yeah. It's Irie. Lift up that guy, we're on the album of tonight. Run something different. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We gotta do something about our love. You are. Hold up. And let me tell you something. They're celebrating women tonight in here. You don't know, Quenn Ifrica is an original Jamaican woman, say without apology to no flesh, nowhere in the earth. I want to say to all women, whether you're in the building or you're just watching online somewhere, always remember that love is amazing. And you know what kind of love is more amazing? Self-love. Yes, learn to love yourself no matter what your circumstances are. Because without you, nothing exists without you, okay? So I want to say to all the lovers, if it's not working, leave the person and go find joy in yourself. Don't sit down in a miserable relationship. And if the relationship can't fix, do silly things. Some little pillow fight, go have dinner, go have dinner, play around in the house. Okay? Because love come first. Run it again. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We gotta do something about her love. You are my best friend within a million years. Still I get a little worried as I count the days before we lose our way and fall apart. Let's accelerate, play around like children in the park. Let's accelerate, touchy feeling in the dark. Let's accelerate, life is way too short to hesitate. Let's accelerate, let's get busy. I said we never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. So when the going gets tough, I said the tough gets going. Don't worry my people, don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in. Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. So give me little one drop. In the night market, yeah, give me little. Look at that. Extra again, you know it's in there. Thank you guys so much. Blessed love, you know I go. I have sense to come sing two songs. We quarrel and we fight, but we're gonna make it up. I love you, baby. Hey. Me and my lover just always a fight, but him know we fed up, we make me smile get bright. War on him never no come back till late in the young ones with a bunch of the nicest. And even though me vex till me blood a boil, one look below the waist, I'm a humble like a child. Can't help it, but come like the feeling. Plus him a chill me with the most sweet talk. You know me not got. We quarrel and we fight, but we're gonna make it up tonight, Lord. I love you, baby. Me and my lover just always a fight, but him know we fit up, make me smile get bright. War on him never no come back till late in the hours with a bunch of the nicest. And even though me vex till me brother boil, one look below the waist, I'm a humble like a child. Can't help it but good night the feeling. Plus him a chill me with the most sweet talking. You know me not gonna knock you down. Now me just want to hold you down. Him say want to put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby. You know me not gonna knock you down. Now me just want to hold you down. Him say want to put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby. This and the thing about a quarrel is when them fitting no work out. But if you got anything like me and see me peers, when even when me just done my listen 50 years and I say me gonna left if him not change it ticket. We as well love for one another, make everyone me as the people believe in everything. See as we know they go down. Yeah, alright, hold on. Say no you're going on. They are 51-year-old in a couple days time. See? And we don't talk that we know one time our mouth when we say that. I want some people to know say life is amazing. Invest in living. Don't make nobody tell us so when you reach 25 and 30 you're all and you figure sit down. Life is amazing. The Almighty give you life to live. So I have a brand new song that is out right now saying No Rush Records label, Tough Gang International. Want to eye them, stream it, like it, share it, do all you need to do with it because them say there's some music there right now. I know say it name Lantern saying we are the light, we are going to shine through the darkness here because we do the work so that we can come talk with no fear. You see what I say? So we say things dark on the highway, but we're there with a lantern. You see me? Right away. Things get dark on the highway. See me with a lantern. Even the righteous have a migraine. See me with a lantern. I come with thunder, come with lightning. See me with a lantern. Yes, for sure the judgment will be Friday. See me with a lantern. Every road up ahead. If you don't need to jump, I know the church and the rock bar you'll be preaching. Right now, what about me want people now? Jump over, you do this to more people for. Make sure you do this to more people. Please come, please. My time, my time. Yes. Well. Ricky, ticky, we are telling them. Come back and tell them. Things get dark on the highway. See me with a lantern, yeah. Even the righteous have a migraine. See me with a lantern, yeah. I come with thunder, come with lightning. See me with a lantern, yeah. Yes, for sure the judgment will be frightening. See me with a lantern. Every road up ahead. If you don't need to jump, I know the church and the rock bar you'll be preaching. Right now, what about me want people now? Jump over, you do this to poor people for. Make sure you're not late for that meeting, yeah. Strap with justice and wait for you. Now got no jail, we not pay for you. Start tell your followers, pray for you. Things get up on the highway. See me with a lantern. Even the righteous have a migraine. See me with a lantern, yeah. I come with thunder, come with lightning. See me with a lantern. Yes, for sure the judgment will be Friday. Yeah, man. Revolution is the right of it mix, no man. Just a feeling now I study people. Some pitch like which one Babylon teeth get kicked out. Righteousness is consolidation, what do you evil? So they have accused, but that one you're a rifle. And the code they don't like you. Access has not a private if they fight you. Now response I never never like fight you now. Things get dark on the highway. See me with a lantern. Even the righteous have a migraine. See me with a lantern. I come with thunder, come with lightning. See me with a lantern. Yes, for sure the judgment will be Friday. Round in Iowa, I find I majesty seated up island. If all praise to Cha-Cha, focus on your high vibration. In this present moment, the back of feel like but as a wounded warrior. If all praise to Cha-Cha, one and only true salvation. Things get up on the highway. See me with a even the righteous of the right way. See me with a big up, sister. Yeah. They're all about you now. So again, thank you so much for coming out tonight. Keep on supporting this beautiful, amazing, amazing, amazing night out. See, it's awesome. Are you ready? Are you ready? Night Market myself. Are you ready? Are you ready? Listen. Well. Are you ready? Are you ready? Even you are lioness, yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. When the roll is called up, I'll be standing taller to face the target champion. Dedicated to Miss Hyacinth. Are you ready? Are you ready? In a night market style. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Tasha, Trini, yeah. of time. We're taking care of all the children thereof. If it's required, we're in a night market. If it's just coming by Monday. Once the rules remain the same, how the stories begin. Call me anytime, I tell you that I never doubt. Night market on the rise, yeah, don't you ever have doubt. Never say never, willingness forever to fight and be strong, yeah. Once it's for better, alright, I will let her and I'm moving, I'm moving, I'm moving, I'm moving. And we are rolling with the punches. Accept changes. Work with the formula, do what I got to, yeah. I love you guys, thank you so much, alright?
Right now, because we do have some special presentations to make, because she took time out of her busy schedule to share with us her talent, her messages, her music, and I don't know what age she calling her. She have to go show her birth paper because she look like fine wine, right? Yes, absolutely stunning. So I'm going to call first Isina Apparel to do the first presentation. Yes, Miss Margaret, so come on over. And of course, there's some goodies in there courtesy of the Kingston Night Market family. So I'll call Queen Hyacinth. Mrs. Mack, come and join for the photo op, please. Absolutely. So thank you so much. Of course, she blessed us with her talent tonight, taught us that self-love is most important. Do we believe that? Yes. Absolutely. And of course, we can be a lantern in the darkness, so we can light the way for the future of Jamaica and for all the women. So another round of applause, please, for Queen Ifrica.
And on behalf of Isina Apparel and a few of the other artisans here, I want to present you with this basket of goodies. I'm sure you're gonna love all of them, all natural Jamaican made products.
Oh, thank you so much.
Just for you. I want to thank you for taking the time out to come and spend it with us.
Yes.
We love you so much.
I appreciate that. I love you guys too.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mama.
Big up.
Thank you. We have one more token as well. Of course, we want to give you something from the earth because we know you're a rooted sister. So yes, we give you this token. Credit.
Yes, thank you very much for your performance. It was lovely.
Thank you.
So accept this some time and season and Kingston Night Market.
You're so welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kingston Night Market. And of course, a beautiful performance was from Quenn Ifrica. Thank you so much. The Queen herself. We're celebrating women this evening. So all the women in the house, make some noise. Yes. And of course, I don't want the men to feel left out. So men, make some noise for the women, please. Okay, thank you. All right, so thank you all so much for sticking around for the entertainment segment. She has one more? Oh, no, want one more? Yeah. So one more. All right. She's going to give us one more. All right.
Where the man then? You're not sinner. Oh. I want to take you far away. Say you'll come all to myself. every day. Please stop just once is all I'm asking. Cause I can't seem to wrap myself. There's something about the way you move. Oh, I wish that we could talk, sit and cuddle in the park, gazing in each other's eyes all night. I wanna take it far away. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was Quenn Ifrica. Of course, so she blessed us here at Kingston Night Market. While you're at it, please, I see you all on your phone, so just jump onto Instagram and follow Kingston Night Market on all platforms. It's knm.jamaica. Post your videos and tag us. Of course, we want persons coming back because we do this every Tuesday night. We do have one more special presentation, of course, to Sister Stacy, who performed earlier. So calling Sister Stacy, please accept this token on behalf of the Kingston Night Market family. Thank you so much. Just to remind you, she is physically blind, but she says she is spiritually sighted, which means that she is not bound by her limitations. She rises above them. So thank you so much. A round of applause for Sister Stacy, please.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Queen Aisha, I tell you, thank you very much tonight. You set me up tonight, but give thanks. Thank you very much. She always warm up to do this, you know, I'm not always shy away from it, but give thanks. Give thanks again, Queen. Thanks.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was Kingston Night Market's entertainment lineup. I'm Bree, your hostess with the mostess and the voice of the Kingston Night Market show. And of course, we're here until 11 o'clock, so continue to enjoy what we have in store for you. And of course, everybody, if you're leaving, travel safely to your destinations. But right now, you'll be entertained by DJs Vin and Chubby, who'll take you through the night. But continue to get some food, get some things from our vendors. And of course, if you see a woman, just turn to her and say, big up yourself, big up yourself. It's International Women's Month and we celebrate women and all their achievements.